Good morning, friends. Good morning from Bangladesh and happy Monday from Bangladesh. Friends, today is Monday 21 November 2022. Friends, now morning time. Now I walking in uh, nature and try to collect polluted garbage from the nature, green nature, natural place. Uh, because I always try to save the nature. I always try to remove polluted garbage, plastic from the nature. Friends, first I saw here one old plastic stuck in green nature. Friends, this is a very bad for our green nature, so I collected this plastic from here. Cigarette butt here. This cigarette butt এটা সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। দেখেন, dirty, very dirty. One more cigarette butt here. So I collected this cigarette butt from here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। Beautiful flowers in nature, really beautiful. One more cigarette butt here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম cigarette butt. Another cigarette butt here. Again, এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। I collected 4 cigarette butt from here. And old plastic here. এটা আমি সংগ্রহ করে নিলাম। দেখেন, friends, sunny morning. I collected some plastic cigarette butt from nature. Friends, this cigarette butt plastic very bad for our nature, green nature, our public place. Friends, now this garbage to in dustbin. Let's go.